BingX, a trusted global crypto exchange. Trade spot, futures, or copy top traders easily. Sign up via the link or referral code to get 30 USDT instantly, plus up to 1,500 USDT in bonuses for verification, deposit, and trading.
Weather tracker, Southeast China swelters in summer like heat. This week, while northern China has been grappling with its first taste of autumn, marked by persistent heavy rainfall and a noticeable chill, vast swathes of the country further south are still enduring a sweltering heat wave eerily reminiscent of summer. In the southeastern regions, temperatures have been on a steady upward trajectory since late September. This prolonged warmth is attributed to a high-pressure system situated to the northeast, maintaining its dominance and preventing cooler air from moving in. Temperatures have consistently climbed into the mid to high 30s Celsius, a stark contrast to the usual cooling trend expected at this time of year, when temperatures typically hover between 30 degrees and the mid-20s. For those in inland areas, the mercury has flirted with the 40-degree-Celsius mark. Xiushui, a locality in Jiangxi province, recorded a scorching 38.9 degrees Celsius on Wednesday, a figure that is approximately 13 degrees Celsius above the average for early October. This unusual warmth isn't just a daytime phenomenon. Overnight temperatures have also remained unseasonably high. In Hong Kong, the heat continued unabated on Wednesday, pushing the tally of very hot days where temperatures remain above 28 degrees Celsius from dawn till dusk, to 4 for October. This is a new record for the month, signifying a significant departure from typical autumn conditions. Weather models are currently forecasting that this extreme heat across southeastern China will persist for another 8 to 10 days. Only then is a shift expected, with colder air anticipated to finally push southward from the north. Meanwhile, in stark contrast, northern China has been experiencing the effects of a much colder air mass colliding with lingering warmth, resulting in relentless and heavy rainfall. As of Thursday afternoon, Beijing had endured at least 36 hours of continuous downpour. The citywide average rainfall stood at 68.8 millimeters, with one weather station in the Daxing district reporting a staggering 140.4 millimeters since Wednesday. This persistent precipitation has kept temperatures unusually low. Thursday marked Beijing's coldest early October day since records began in 1951, with the maximum temperature barely reaching 10.6 degrees Celsius, a significant 10 to 15 degrees Celsius below the seasonal average. This year, China has witnessed a notable increase in extreme rainfall events. Scientists link this trend to the broader phenomenon of a warming global climate, explaining that for every 1 degree Celsius increase in global temperatures, the atmosphere gains the capacity to hold approximately 7% more moisture, thus fueling more intense precipitation. Adding another layer of meteorological complexity, typhoon activity continues to be a concern over the Pacific Ocean. Tropical storm Nakri, which recently formed on Wednesday, has been charting a northeastward course towards Japan over the past few days. However, current projections indicate a shift in its trajectory, with the storm expected to veer eastward. This path mirrors that of Typhoon Halong, which is now moving further out into the northern Pacific. Nakri is forecast to intensify into a typhoon as it travels parallel to the southern Japanese coast this weekend, with gusts potentially reaching up to 105 miles per hour, or 169 kilometers per hour. Subsequently, it is expected to transition into an extratropical storm as it encounters an area of increased vertical wind shear. While mainland Japan is likely to be spared the brunt of the storm's impact, the Izu Islands, situated south of Tokyo, are once again facing the prospect of strong winds and